It is time to talk about Link again because we are at the key level we drew in the previous chart. And in the previous chart, I gave you a few trading ideas that we took and got really good profits from. That's what I'm doing every single day. I'm providing you with different calls. Basically, the goal was for us to hit this level, and from there we short we did. We kind of got to this low. I didn't manage to get the whole week down, but it was still a very good trade. So the question is, what is going on with the liquidations? What kind of levels do we have? But before that, while I'm showing you the liquidations, I wanted to show you that right now, to tell you that right now, we're getting huge bonuses from BingX. They have really good liquidity. They're one of the exchanges that I really like, and they're giving away $8,205 in bonuses. If you join BingX and claim 8 grand welcome gift and 100 plus USDT in exclusive perks, all you have to do is use the link in the description down below and use code Dr. Niki. That's all you gotta do. And on BingX, they have over $20 million, 20 million cumulative signups. The volume is probably 20 million per hour, per second or something. Supported languages 18 plus, elite traders 20k plus. Elite traders are very good because you can do copy trading and other things to check to benefit from. So definitely do check them out. Right now, we'll talk about the liquidations on Link. We're back at it, so hit the like button. We just liquidated a bunch of people right here. Here's the game plan for me, and I also have a few meme coin trades right now. We're up to 161 grand. We have ZDLT, Rage Guy, Avo. So here's the game plan for Link. My goal here would be to basically place a short from here to the downside and then buy back lower, buy back our position. So this is basically how I'm planning to trade this for around 1.3% scalp. That will be the safe one. That will be target one. And since Bitcoin is a little overbought, I'm mainly looking for short. This is my goal. This is how I'm planning to trade. If you want to see all my live trades plus the meme coin trades, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my Signal chat. I also have a link in the description down below for my course, which I priced pretty cheap. See you next video.